Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows Update error 0x80070643 on Windows 11. First, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click the Start menu and open Settings. Go to System, then scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update in the list and click Run next to it. Windows will now scan for update problems and try to fix them automatically. When the process finishes, restart your computer and check for updates again. If the error still appears, the next step is to repair system files. Open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter: sfc/scano. This will scan all system files and replace any corrupted ones. If the problem continues, you should reset the Windows Update components. Press the Start menu, search for Services, and open the Services app. Find the Windows Update service, right-click it, and click Stop. Next, open File Explorer and go to the Windows folder on your system drive. Open the Software Distribution folder and delete everything inside it. These are temporary update files, and removing them can fix update errors. Go back to the Services window, right-click Windows Update again, and click Start. Now restart your computer and try installing the update again. In most cases, this will fix the Windows Update error. Thanks for watching.